students, and welcome to week 8 in your online lifespan growth and development course. This week we will continue on with the stage of middle childhood, but really take a focus and look at the psychosocial development during this stage. So remember, we're 6 to 11, so you'll, through this chapter, explore some of the different aspects of what's going on with their friends at school and parental relationships and influences and goals and things along that line of their motivation and so forth. So, last week of being in childhood, as next week with chapter 9, we'll be moving on into adolescence, which brings up a whole other set of developmental topics. So this week, let's take a look here at your module. Make sure you read chapter 8 in your e-book. You have the lecture slides for chapter 8, and then your chapter 8 practice quiz. So enjoy this midway through. We're officially at the end of week 8, halfway through the semester as we go to week 16. And let me know if you have any questions whatsoever. Have a great week and take care, everybody.